Good morning, Drake. You like the rain? You gonna ignore me? You wanna go for a walk? But it's wet outside? Hey, ooh, good stretch. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, yeah. It's raining outside, and we can't go for our walk. I know. We figured something out, right? We always do, right? Yes, sir. Hey, hopefully we'll see our friends, the kitty cats, huh? They're out there somewhere. You'll get a chance to see your kitty cats and hang out with them, okay? Ooh, good stretch. The rain. Good job. Yeah, boo boo. We're gonna be cozy today, aren't we? We're gonna be cozy. Yeah, we're gonna be super cozy. Good boy. Yeah.